Hi guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for Development Bank of Singapore online banking. Once you register for online banking, you'll be able to log into your account from anywhere online. In order to do that, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop and on the search field, search for dbs.com.sg. And once you land onto an interface like this, go to the login option that is on the top of the site. By tapping on it, you'll be directed to the login page of Development Bank of Singapore. Now to register for online banking on Development Bank of Singapore, go to Get Started and tap on it in order to start the registration process. Now once you land onto the registration page, you need to fill up some information here. On the identity type, choose the identity you have. On the identity number box, you need to enter your foreign password number and then set a date of birth for yourself, then tap on Next. Once you do that, you land onto the authentication page where you need to verify your mobile number. Once you verify it entering the OTP that the bank has sent, you will land onto the credential page where you need to enter your credentials. Then you land onto the confirmation page where you have to review your information and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you agree to the terms and conditions and tap on confirm, you will have successfully registered for online banking on Development Bank of Singapore. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.